Arrays, files and exception handling. Select New from File menu and select Project. Select Visual Basic. Select Windows. Select Console Application. Type your project name. Browse location and create the project. Copying the code to create a class person. Type or paste the code to create the class person. Copying the code to declare a person array and insert the data into it. Type or paste the code for the same. This code creates an array of class person objects. This is to read each person's details from the console. This statement creates an object of the class person in the array. This code writes the data into the console. System.console.read key method obtains the next character or function key pressed by the user. Execute the project. Copying the code to write the data into the file. Type or paste the code to write the data into the file. Stream Writer is designed for character output in a particular encoding. It requires the namespace system.io. Type the namespace here. This namespace is for input-output operations. This is the name and location of the file created. This is the code to write each element of object person into the file. This code is written inside the try block of a try-catch statements. Execute the project. Try-catch blocks are used for structured exception handling statements. Code inside catch block is executed in case of occurrence of an exception. Now go to the location where new text file is created. The data is saved in the text file. To observe the occurrence of exception, Change the property of the file to read-only. This will create read-only exceptions in the program. Again, execute the project. Code inside catch block is executed in case of occurrence of an exception, otherwise this code inside try block is executed. This is the code inside the catch block here. Exceptions thrown and are captured in the catch block. Now change the property of the file to its default form and execute the project. Data will be saved into the file. The data is saved in the text file.